I'm Eric Sheely, Greenhouse and Nursery Supervisor at Riverbanks, and today on The Dirt we'll be digging into our seed sowing operations. Seed sowing is just planting a seed either on top of the ground or burying it in the soil, giving it moisture, letting it germinate, and getting roots and shoots out of the ground, roots down into the ground. In order to make Riverbanks green and lush, we sow a lot of seeds each year, in the range of 9,000 to 13,000 seeds. We have hundreds of seed catalogs coming to our office every year to choose and select the thing that we think is going to be the next big thing for South Carolina gardening. Pretty much from middle of February to about April 15th is our last frost date, so we'll put them out after that date. But usually we are starting them beginning of February, middle of February. So our spring season starts in the middle of winter. For a lot of people that seems weird, but since we have greenhouses, it's 80 degrees year-round in here. So we are sowing now for spring season, and in the fall we will sow again in September when it's really hot outside for October. When you get your seeds in the mail, you really need to read the seed packet carefully to see how the seed needs to be treated when you're germinating them. They are either not covered, which just means they're on the surface of the soil. They're lightly covered with some vermiculite or some sand, or they're completely covered, which means probably about 1/4 of an inch underneath the ground, and you can usually just make a small hole and put the seed underneath the ground then. After the seeds are transplanted, they go into these flats, and these are 16 cell flats, 3-inch pots. There's about 8,000 of them behind me right now, so we have a lot of transplanting to do in the next couple of weeks. I'm Eric Sheely, and that's The Dirt on how Riverbanks grows thousands of plants each spring.